gold is just, let me, you know, I am not a Peter Schiff. God forbid.
Yeah.
God forbid. God forbid. I am the anti-Schiff. You know, people have to understand that people are desperate to understand this war. They've been confined for the best part of 2 years. They're losing their job. Prices are high, and they come looking for advice, and they get middle-aged great people, right? That's a disaster. Anyway, forgive me. So I made a lot of money from gold. I am not a gold buck. Gold is blinking preposterous. This is a stupid thing. Really, really stupid. It's stupid that you would buy gold.
Why? Tell me.
Because what economic purpose does it serve? You to go to all of this expense, also the pollution. You've got to sift so much ground and rock to find this, right? And what do you do with it? It's not like you put it into some technology which saves the planet or makes us more productive. None of that. And even today, you could argue you don't need it anymore with Bitcoin. Maybe don't need as much of it because there are alternatives.
Wait,
So
oh,
it's
so okay.
purpose.
You just mentioned Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin an alternative to gold? How do you view Bitcoin? I'm sure you get asked this bit.
Um, it's the value of Bitcoin is trying to determine how much of the demand in the future which resides for wealthy people to seek assets where you can't expand the supply and therefore they're deemed to be inflation hedges. And up until Bitcoin, which is, let's call it 10 years ago, kind of gold had it. You gold and silver, but silver has more of an industrial cyclical application. So kind of gold. Um, and gold, happens how much gold I want to say 2000 bucks was a 9 or 10 trillion dollar market capitalization. And so the whole point of Bitcoin was like, hey, what if actually people think, yeah, I don't need gold. I can do it with Bitcoin. And what if 50% of that market became invested in Bitcoin and not gold? Well, then Bitcoin should be a $5 trillion market. And then you take $5 trillion and you divide it by, they will not have more than 21 million. It's like a share count. They won't have any more than 21 million Bitcoins. You divide 5 trillion by 21 million and you get an absurd price level for Bitcoin. Um, I don't dismiss that argument.